Hey Birchouse friends, welcome back. So today we are doing an unboxing, but it's going to be a little bit different because this is an item that we're not going to be using for quite a while. It's for a future display as part of our interactive educational services. And I'll go into depth here in a moment. But what's important is the advocacy group, Better Way 2A, had a product that I was like, oh, that needs to be part of this thing we're going to be doing, and I wanted to jump on it right away. So let's open it up, and then we'll discuss what it's all about. So, just tear it open. Make sure there's nothing else in there that I'm going to be missing before I throw that bag away. It doesn't appear to be. Looks really well made. I'll just unfurl it. It is a flag. You might be thinking you know what it is, but I bet you don't. There we go. Now this, and I can't obviously show the whole thing. I guess maybe if I go sideways I can. Hold on. This is the battle flag of the 23rd Corps, which was part of the Army of the Mississippi that was with Sherman as he marched to Atlanta, General Sherman as he marched to Atlanta during the Civil War. And the 23rd Corps decided they needed a new flag, and so what they did is they created their flag, and you can see there's these color variations throughout the flag. You know, you got a brighter red down here, you got a brighter white up here, and that's because the 23rd Corps made their flag from scraps of fallen Confederate flags. By the way, this flag is incredibly well made. So, we wanted this because we knew we were going to do a Civil War display as part of our interactive educational services. We are quite a ways off from that display, partly because of the research that we need to do to make sure that we put a good display together, and partly to gather the materials for that display. We need to make sure we buy enough materials to have a display. We'd like to have a living history educator as part of that display, and partly we want to base it on one of General Sherman's sharpshooters, very specifically the 7th Independent Company, Ohio Volunteer Sharpshooters. I had to look, I wrote that down because it's a mouthful. Now, why that one? Well, it just so happens that my mini-great-grandfather was a member of the 7th Independent Company, Ohio Volunteer Sharpshooters. And we have a lot of data from my mini-great-grandfather. We have his journal. We have accounts, roll call sheets. We have a lot of data personally. So I wanted to base it on him because we do have so much first-hand accounts from him. And it just made sense. Why not use the data, and why not use the the resources you have on hand? And so we're going to base our living history educator on the Ohio Volunteer Sharpshooters. And of course, they were with Sherman during his march to Atlanta, and this was one of the flags that flew on that march. So, like I said, this probably won't be until next year, but I wanted to go ahead and get this now because it was available now. Better Way 2A did have this available now, and it's just such a cool flag. So that is what we are planning for the future. Oh, by the way, I also, just for myself, picked up a patch with the 23rd Corps flag on it. But that's what we're doing. That's just kind of a sneak peek at the future of Birchouse Workshop. One of the interactive educational displays that you can look forward to seeing in the future. We're going to be making an announcement this week about where our next event is going to be and where you can see us in person and see our interactive educational display. So keep an eye out for that. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video.